Welcome to Edits in Minutes. Today, I'll show you how to create a stylish iris circle wipe transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's dive in. First, place the clips you want to transition between on the timeline. Go to the Effects panel, search for Iris Round and drag the Iris Round transition to the cut between your clips. In the Effect Controls panel, you can adjust the properties of the Iris Round transition. You can change the alignment to suit your taste. Adjust the duration by changing the number. Adjust the border color and border width settings in the Effect Controls panel to add a border to your transition for a more customized look. Or reverse the effect to choose which video comes from the circle. Play the timeline to preview your iris circle wipe transition. And that's it. A quick and easy iris circle wipe transition in Adobe Premiere Pro.